in Eclipse IDE, we need to create a project first. To write a programs, before that we need to create a project. You can see
Yes, sir.
file, click on file, and then sorry guys, file, inside that new there is a Java project. What is the option name?
Java project.
Java project. So click on that Java project. Guys, you can see it was asking the project name. It was asking the project name. You can see. So here I'm giving a project name is
So,
hello.
yeah, sir. So actually, in my laptop, Java 17 version is there, but in Eclipse it is showing Java SE 16.
No problem. You can install it. It can work in 17%.
Okay, I can choose that 16 also, no?
No, no, no. Better we need to choose 17. Okay.
Sir, 17 is not showing in option, but I
Where it
checked in
is?
CMD. But I checked in CMD that Java version. It is showing 17.0 something.
Okay. Yeah, okay. After the installation, you can share your screen. I can see the thing and I can tell the answer. Okay. Okay,
Okay,
guys. Here
sir.
you can see. After giving the project name, here module information in under check condition. We need to do a uncheck condition. Uncheck means we need to disable this tick button, tick option, and then you are getting a finish option. Click on finish. Click on finish. Guys, you can observe here we are getting a hello is the project name. What is the project name? Hello. Hello was getting with JRE. JRE means, guys, what is JRE?
Java runtime.
Java runtime environment.
Java runtime environment.
And then we have a SRC. SRC is nothing but a source. We can write the source code into the SRC.
Yes,
Guys, generally we are writing the programs inside the class, but before creating the class, we required a one folder. Folder is nothing but a package. So you can see to the SRC, right click. Guys, I can teach the each and every step in Notepad. Just you can observe here. When you can right click on the SRC, you are getting a new option. You are getting a new option. Inside the new, click on the package. Inside the new, inside the new, click on the package. Then to the package, we need to give any one name. I'm giving a I'm giving a my package. My హారిక అది ఒకసారి మై ప్యాకేజ్ అని టైప్ చేయండి.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. And now guys, package name is your preferred. And basically I'm like I'm for practically I'm giving a just my package is the name and click on finish. So now you can see successfully you are created a package. Successfully you are created a package. To the package, guys, you can see to the package we need to create a class. How to create a class means right click. Okay, guys, observe carefully. Right click and then new. new and then class.
Class.
Click on class. Okay, so class name we need to give. Basically first class I'm giving a class name is a guys, already we studied that class name does not allow any spaces, so I'm giving a first class. What is the class name? First class I given,
First class.
and click on yes, class name is first class and click on finish. Now you can see guys, observe here, it was given a class environment. Wait 1 second, I'm maximizing it. So click on control plus, then you can maximize the code. Okay, now successfully we are created a class. Successfully we are created a class in a
Class.
Eclipse IDE. And guys, there is a lot of shortcuts in Eclipse IDE. There is a lot of shortcuts. Now you can see to run the Java programs with which method we require? To run the Java programs, which method we require?
main method.
Main
Main
method.
method. So for main method purpose, just type main and click on control plus space. At a time you need to click control plus space. Guys, then you can see you are getting a multiple options. You are getting a multiple options. Now just select the main. Which one you need to select?
Main.
You need to select main. Guys, you can see we are getting a
Okay.
main method. We are getting a main method. Inside the main method, guys, what is the printing statement in Java?
System dot out.
Yes,
System
so
dot out
system dot out.
println.
Yes. For that purpose, you can give sy so.
Yes.
What we need to give sy so and click on control space. So guys, in Notepad, each and every time we need to write system dot out or println. Coming to the Eclipse IDE, just you can click sy so and control space. It will get default. Now